Although the power station makes use of the original building that was built on the edge of the river 50 years ago, it uses the latest in power generation equipment. Three cubic meters of water per second at pressure, created from an elevation difference of 4.8 meters, can generate up to 100 kilowatts of power. Electricity began being produced on a commercial basis at the power station after being purchased along with the water permits by the Tokyo Electric Generation Company.
もう期待通りですね。以前は川の流れしか見えなかったものが、せき止められたダムのような形で湖面の、平らな流れというか透き通った水の、透明度が非常によく分かるようになります。それによってお客様は今まで以上に川のきれいさが強調されてお客様から声をたくさんいただきますね。
In contrast to large-scale hydroelectric dam projects, small-scale power generating facilities that utilize the energy from mountain streams seem to harmonize with the natural environment. However, mountain streams cannot be found in cities. Is there any way that small-scale power generation might be possible for use in urban areas? One solution for urban hydroelectric power production lies under this building. This is Myoden Waterworks, a purified water supplier in Ichikawa City, Chiba Prefecture, a Tokyo residential suburb. Underneath the facility, power generators have been set up. This is a small-scale hydroelectric power system developed by the Tokyo Electric Generation Company to be used in urban areas. The purified water flowing through the large pipes on the left will be diverted and used for generating electricity. Once the energy from the water has been produced, it then goes on to be used as drinking water.
発電所が電気を起こすときは、水の量とそれから高低差というか圧力、この2つの積が出力になってくるので、都市部は高低差のないところでも水の量がありますので、それなりの規模が確保できる。
Here at Myoden Waterworks, drinking water is supplied from a purification plant 20 kilometers away. The difference in elevation is 37 meters. Up to 1 cubic meter of water can maintain a maximum production level of 300 kilowatts of electricity per second. The pumping equipment of the waterworks can produce enough energy for around 300 households, and when there is a surplus, the excess energy is sold. There is also the possibility that this kind of small-scale hydroelectricity equipment could contribute to power generation in urban areas by being installed in high-rise buildings.
身近にある水、別目的で利用されている水、農業用水、工業用水もあります。それから、本日来ていただいている妙電発電所は浄水、飲み水を使った発電所、あるいはその使い終えた後の下水、そういった水はですね、水を管理あるいは所有されている方がおられますので、そういった方々と共同で事業を進めていくという形が最も最適かなと。
These waterworks were built 10 years ago, and power generation equipment was introduced 2 years ago. Since then, the Chiba Prefectural Waterworks Bureau and Tokyo Electric Generation Company, who both own waterworks, have been providing the technical know-how to add additional power generating equipment. Hydroelectric power generation is an ideal way of harnessing the energy of nature to produce electricity. In the future, it is hoped the water that flows under buildings in cities will also be utilized in the same way.
What was most surprising to me was to see a hydropower system operating so close to our homes.